Wall Street's monopoly is officially under siege. A secret coalition of billionaire investors just launched a rival stock exchange in Dallas, Texas. This is a direct declaration of financial war, and New York is terrified. Enter BlackRock and Citadel. They're injecting a massive $120 million into a brand new Dallas exchange. This powerhouse duo is building a trading platform designed to challenge New York's absolute dominance. The war is on. New York's crushing fees and suffocating rules are pushing companies to the edge. Now, Dallas is striking back. The Texas Stock Exchange is launching a cheaper, simpler alternative, aiming to steal Wall Street's crown. Doors open in Dallas. Texas Stock Exchange goes live. First trades flash across screens, sending shockwaves north. Wall Street laughed before, now, threat is real. Power shifts south. Game changed. For decades, Manhattan held the keys to global wealth. But this launch changes everything. Right now, Wall Street giants are watching their dominance slip away as power shifts to the outside. The game is changing. Script right, Wall Street panic, Dallas steal business. Text, behind closed doors, Wall Street is panicking. Emergency meetings are being called right now. The bosses are desperate, trying everything to stop the massive exodus of companies fleeing to Dallas. But can they actually stop the bleeding? Dallas just became the epicenter of a revolution. Texas leaders gathered to launch a massive new initiative, boldly declaring the Lone Star State the new global capital of financial freedom. The game has officially changed. Now the giants are speaking out. Wall Street titans are openly eyeing Texas, desperate to flee New York's suffocating red tape. In boardrooms across America, the same tense question echoes. Is it time to head south? Texas is calling, and giant corporations are packing their bags. Desperate to stop the bleeding, New York exchanges slash their fees. But is it too late to save the empire? Texas fast-tracks approvals, welcoming giant firms. Meanwhile, panicked New York politicians scramble, throwing emergency tax breaks at the exodus. Will these desperate bribes stop the bleeding, or is the empire state already doomed? New York lost its first giant. The board rejected the city's tax breaks, turning their backs on Wall Street. Instead, they signed a massive deal with Dallas. The exodus has officially begun. Word of the defections spread like wildfire. Now, other giant firms are packing for Texas. Wall Street is in absolute panic as stock prices crater. The financial empire is crumbling. Behind closed doors, Wall Street is panicking. They just called an emergency summit to launch hostile takeovers on every company fleeing to Texas. They will buy them out to force them to stay. Texas wasn't about to let Wall Street buy up their land. Local leaders pooled their cash, built a massive defense fund, and shut the buyout down. The corporate giants never saw it coming. Wall Street's bold buyouts crumbled, leaving Texas standing tall in victory. But is this the end of the empire? Can New York fight back to reclaim its crown, or will Dallas become the new capital of global wealth?